I will be showing you a new way to make your thumbnails. I will be showing you guys how to make your thumbnails on the app called Phonto.
Put your head on my shoulder.
Hey y'all, it's Crystal Jade, and today I will be showing you a new way to make your thumbnails. I will be showing you guys how to make your thumbnails on the app called Phonto. My last thumbnail video was on different apps, but this one is just going to be including the app called Phonto. And I just want to let you guys know that I'm gonna be on here a lot for the next few weeks because my boyfriend, or whoever the fuck he is, went MIA and went on vacation without letting me know. So I will be occupying myself on YouTube when I don't have any plans. Period, guys. So your girl is just gonna be on here, and let me guys know what else you guys want to see. Leave nice comments, y'all, and just stay tuned. Hey y'all, sorry if I seem sad because I kind of am, but you guys are gonna start by downloading this app called Phonto over here. It's free on the App Store, and I will have everything linked down below. But first, I like to go to Google and search up aesthetic backgrounds or aesthetic wallpapers. I already searched that up. You guys know I'm an aesthetic person, and I love adding these to my thumbnails to make them pop. Let's just download this one. Is really cute and really soft. And we will download let's just download this one. Click download image, and we will go back into the app called Phonto. Press this camera icon right here. And then we are going to press plain images. I pick a white background, and I like to change the size to whatever size your phone is. But I like this iPhone 8. Even though I don't have an iPhone 8, I like this iPhone 8 size right here. I don't really like the iPhone XR size, but I like this iPhone 8 size right here. So we're just gonna pick that size. Click on this icon right here. Click use. And then we're gonna click on these three lines at the bottom right here. We're gonna click add image, all photos. And we're gonna add these aesthetic backgrounds that we downloaded earlier. Done. Okay, first we are going to resize this to make it fit. You could resize the height, the width, all of these cool things here, guys. I apologize, this takes a while. Gonna size this. Okay, that should be fine, and we're gonna go to the three lines again, press add image, and add the second aesthetic background. Done. Move this here. You guys can move it around. We're gonna resize this as well. So size. Change the width to make it fit. Okay, and that is really cool, and we're gonna press on this. We're actually gonna press save image, and then we're gonna go back into the app, press the camera icon, press photo albums, and press this we just made. Press done. And we're gonna press on this and press add text, and we're gonna add our text for the thumbnail. I like to use this font called Keep on Truckin', and if you guys don't have this font, then you guys can download it on dafont.com. You guys can resize this, change the style, change the color. I'm gonna change the style to this color, change the size, and then we can even make this curve a little. I really like to make this curve. So that is basically all, guys. You guys can make this more detailed in other apps such as Pixar and Thumbnail Maker, but that is basically how you make thumbnails on Phonto. It is pretty easy, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know. That is all for today, guys. I hope you guys learned a new way to make your thumbnails eye-catching, because you don't want your thumbnail to be the downfall of your video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment if y'all want, click the bell icon so you get notification every time I post a brand new video, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.
Angels like you.